Hello, I'm Alec, a support rep here at Datalogics. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Adobe PDF Library's Java interface using our Maven package and IntelliJ. First, we're going to open up the Datalogics homepage and go to this download button right here. Once you fill out this form and hit submit, you'll be given a license key. You'll want to save that for later. We can also go to GitHub and see our sample application repositories, including Maven. We're going to start by cloning this repo. So let's copy this link and run a git clone. Let that run for a minute. Once that runs, we can open up IntelliJ and find the project. The one we're going to do today is very simple. It's image extraction. This is a very simple application that does exactly what it says it does. It scans a PDF for images and extracts them out to their own individual files. Here we have a sample input file already specified, so all we really need to do is hit the run button. What it's going to do is pull down the package from Maven Central. This could take a minute, but at a certain point, it's going to ask you for that license key that you saved earlier. So we're going to copy this and then put it in when it asks for it. So let's put in that license key and the program should finish running. Okay, looks like the program has successfully run. The license activated, as we can see by this message. And over here we can see the extracted out image. And there you have it. All of our sample applications can be run in this very simple way. If you have any questions on how to use the applications, feel free to contact our support team for more information. We look forward to seeing what you'll create with Adobe PDF Library.